In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly link to a specific section within your web page by using anchors and making your content more user-friendly. This process is quite useful, especially if you're dealing with long pages or you want to guide your visitors directly to a relevant section. Let's dive into the steps, ensuring you can implement this with ease. First, we need to create an anchor in the section you wish to link to. Start by navigating to the section on your web page where you want the link to lead. Once you've identified this area, click to open the section's settings. Typically, you'll find a tab labeled Anchor within these settings. Here, you'll need to insert an anchor name. It's important to use a simple name, one that is devoid of spaces or special characters, ensuring it's easy to remember and type. Consider it as a unique identifier for that section. It's like giving your section a specific address that others can reach. Now that we have set up our anchor, the next step involves adding the link to another element on your page. Decide on the element that will host this link. It could be a piece of text, a button, or even an image. Click on this element to begin the linking process. If you've chosen a text element, you'll first need to click Edit Text, and then highlight the specific text you want to turn into a hyperlink. Next, search for the link icon, which is typically represented by a chain or a similar symbol. Upon clicking this icon, you'll be presented with various linking options. Since we're linking to a section within the same page, select Section from the available options. A drop-down list should then appear, showing all available anchors on your page. Here, you'll select the anchor name you created in the previous step. This will ensure that when someone clicks on your link, they are smoothly directed to the appropriate section. Finally, make sure to click Save or Done to apply the link. This step is crucial as it ensures all your hard work is preserved and implemented correctly. By following these steps, you effectively consolidate your web page's navigation and provide a streamlined user experience as visitors can jump to areas of interest without hassle. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to implementing anchors for efficient navigation within your web pages. With the help of these steps, you can enhance how users interact with your site, making it not only more functional, but also more enjoyable to explore. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope this guide makes your navigation setup a breeze.